Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another quick and also interesting challenge today. I'm just going to give you the questions. The solutions will be solved in the following week. Okay, so here is the scenario, right? I'm going to give you a challenge. So I'm in this website called CoinMarketCap, which has all the cryptocurrency price data, historical data for like Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you're aware about cryptocurrency, right? So this is the URL. I'll put it in our description. For example, for Bitcoin, and over here you can go and change the date, right? You could like change the year and all that. So from 2018, 2017, I think there's data till like today. So you can change that, and you'll have the date, at what price did Bitcoin open, what was the highest price during the day, what was the lowest price during the day, and what price did it close on that particular day, right? And then volume and market cap, don't bother too much about this. So you can actually just filter the dates and download the CSV. Same way, if you want to do for, let's say, Ethereum, all you need to do is, instead of Bitcoin, you type in Ethereum. I think the spelling is wrong. It's not Ethereum, it's Ethereum, right? With the single E. Now you see, right? Ethereum data also loads. So you can do the same filtering, download as a CSV, right? Then what I want you all to do is upload this into BigQuery, right? Like copy paste this into a Google Sheet, right? I think that's the easiest. Like as you see, if you do something like that, you set it up in a Google Sheet like this, as simple as that, then load it to BigQuery, right? You can load in BigQuery from a CSV file, from Google Sheets. So try that out as well. Once you're done with that, like you'll have like tables on BigQuery, and this is what I want you to do, right? I'll put this questionnaire sheet so you're also aware what you need to do. Consider data from November 27, 2019 to December 6, 2024. That's the time range. Download the data and do a few things like analyze the performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum prices on 30th November of every year, right? From 2019 all the way to 2024 to see the trends, how it's gone up, gone down, gone up, and so on, right? Then I also want you to use SQL like BigQuery to find out what was the highest ever single day price increase, right? In terms of percentage increase. So what I mean percentage increase from the open to the close, right? Highest ever increase, highest ever drop, right? Which is decrease for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? For instance, I think somewhere in 2020 around COVID time, March, there was a big drawdown for Bitcoin, I remember. So that probably will be one of the highest drops ever, but you can check that as well, right? So you probably need to use some kind of calculation. So keep that in mind. Then also there's a concept called moving average. So try to Google what is a moving average and calculate the 7-day and 50-day moving average for Bitcoin, Ethereum, again based on just the close prices, right? As you see, we had like a lot of columns, high, low, close, open, but for moving average, just consider the close prices, right? Just do a 7-day and 50-day moving average. And finally, since you have two sets of data, you know that, for instance, like date, right, could be a common column between the two. So you can actually try and join the data and then find the ratio of Ethereum to Bitcoin over time, right? To tell me the trends, like when it has been really high, when it has been really low, and things like that, essentially, right? So do this exercise yourself. And next week I'll be also solving these in BigQuery and showing you the solutions. Take this up as a challenge, and we can discuss this in the video next week. I hope this will be interesting because a lot of companies can give you vague questions like this. So today we are considering the crypto concept. So try it out yourself, right? This is what is applying your SQL knowledge to a actual business scenario, right? Imagine you apply to a crypto startup today. Something like this could happen as part of your process, like a case study. So try it out. I'll attach the questions link and also the link from where you can download the data over here. Try it out. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.